guys, welcome to my class. Today in this lecture we will learn about basic and simple formulae in Microsoft Excel. Let's take a look at the index. So these are some of the most useful, easy formulae in Excel. Firstly, we will begin with the count function, and then we will see the average function, in which we will learn how to calculate an average of a given range. And then we will look at the sum function, which is again very simple yet very useful. After that, we will take a look at the max function to find the maximum value present in a given range or list. And at the end, similarly, we will see the min function to find the minimum value in a list or range. This is the sample data containing the name of students and their marks in maths and English on which we will be working in this particular lecture to understand different formulas. So let's get started with the first one, which is count. This formula is used when you have to count the number of cells containing numeric or date values. All you need to do is just go ahead and select a cell in which you want to execute your formula type equals to let Excel know that you want to write some formula in that cell, and then start typing the name of your function, that is count in this case. Hit Enter or Tab button to select the count function from the suggestions you are getting, and then select the range in which you want to count the number of cells containing numeric values. That's it. You will get the result. So don't get surprised, it was really that easy. But if you want to count the number of cells containing text or string, which is, in this case, the name column, then you can use the counta formula. Both count and counta are the same and work almost similar, but the difference among them is that while the count function counts only those cells which contains numeric or date value, the counta function counts all those cells which contain text or string value such as name, address, and all that. Now let's talk about the second formula, which is average or mean. So guys, to calculate the average of a given range, all you need to do is just type equals, and then average, and then hit the tab button to select average function, and then select the range in which you want to calculate average or mean. In this case, as you can see that I have calculated the average marks of all the students in the English subject, which is 79.3. Now let's see the next formula. Guys, if you are given a range and asked to find out the sum of all values it contains, or for some reason, I want to calculate the sum of marks of English of all students. In Excel it is very easy to do that. All I need to do is just type equals, and then sum, and then select the range, which is in this case, is from J2 to J11. And that's it. I am done. I got the result, which is 793. Now that we have already looked at count, average, and sum functions, what if I want to know the maximum marks obtained by someone in English? Is there any way I can figure out using a formula? Yes, if you are using Excel, there is a solution for every problem. Just go ahead and type equals max, and then hit the tab button to select a max formula, and then select the range in which you want to find the maximum value. And there you go. In this case, someone has obtained 99 marks in English. Now, in the same way, as we calculated maximum in a given range using the max function, we can also calculate minimum in a range using the min function. All you need to do is just replace min in place of max, that's it. That's all from my side for today, guys. See you in the next lecture with some more advanced formulas. Thank you.